a child. Before I remove all the innocence, my Father will lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then after stars he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another... Dance with my brother again. My mother would disagree.
Papalamigin ko yung boss.
Sige.
I got no way I would run from her to him.
Lamig.
And make me love just to comfort me. Yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Safer than I when I was asleep. We left our tower under my sheet. Never.
Makakainis ka naman, tatawanan mo ako eh.
Hindi, ang galing nga eh.
Still one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him. After so that never ever met how I love my father again. Sometimes I listen outside the door and hear my mother cry for him.
Sabi naman yung mga
Ikaw, ang ganda-ganda na boss. Huwag
sila
naman
sila
mo.
eh.
Love even more than me.
Ang galing! Ang internet sensation!
Diba?
Bago internet sensation!
Hindi na pumitiyo.
Ang galing. Ang taas ang boses eh.
I'm praying for much too much, but you could send
Ang
back
lamig ng
the
boses.
only man she loved. I know you don't do
Mainis eh.
but the Lord, she's dying, and that's with my father again. Every night I'm fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.
Ang sakit sa tiyan.
Sige, tumiyak ako konti lang.
Ang galing!
I will do it this way, but the Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Thank you.